Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Osu on a laptop. First, you'll want to download the official Osu client directly from its website. The installation process is straightforward. Just follow the prompts. Once installed, create a free Osu account. This account is essential for tracking your scores, downloading beat maps, and engaging with the community. It only takes a few moments to set up, and then you're ready for the next step. To truly optimize your Osu experience, consider investing in a drawing tablet. Many players find tablets offer superior precision and control compared to a mouse. Next, fine-tune your in-game sensitivity. Experiment to find a setting that feels natural and allows for quick, accurate movements. Finally, it's highly recommended to disable mouse acceleration in your laptop's operating system settings. This ensures consistent cursor movement, which is crucial for high-level play. Osu gameplay revolves around three main elements: hitting circles, following sliders, and spinning spinners in time with the music. Start your journey with easy beat maps. These provide a gentle introduction to the game's rhythm and patterns. Focus on understanding the timing and flow before attempting harder songs. Consistent practice, even for just 15 to 20 minutes daily, will significantly improve your reaction time and overall accuracy over time. To further improve your Osu skills, don't hesitate to explore the various game modes available, such as Taiko or Catch the Beat, for a fresh challenge. Custom skins can also personalize your interface and sometimes even enhance readability. Most importantly, engage with the vibrant Osu community. They offer a wealth of knowledge, from performance tips to recommendations for new beat maps, helping you continuously grow as a player. Enjoy the rhythm.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.